People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, most of you would have probably heard about the raper bull that is terrorizing Portmore, and there's CCTV footage going around saying that this is the man that has been carrying out those vicious and heinous actions. Now, here is a video that people are trying to say this is the raper bull getting caught. But from what I'm seeing, the picture and the video, it doesn't seem to be the same man. Right? Now, if you look at this guy carefully, right, this seems to be a classic case of a old school creep who has a weird fetish, because he's going around sniffing jars, right? And if you zoom in properly, right, because at first you can't see what he's doing, but when you zoom in, you realize that this man has a strange fetish. He likes to sniff strange woman jars. Now, don't ask me where he get that from, right? Because when you zoom in properly and the camera pick it up, right, you can actually see, if you look at your screen right now, you can see what he's doing. He's actually smelling the people in underwear, right? Now, the man in the first picture, he seems to fit the description more of a raper bull, right? This is the man that you're looking at right now. But we must emphasize, these are just a couple screen grabs and some videos of two random men. For all we know, they could be completely innocent, right? They just so happen to be wearing shorts, t-shirt, backpack and a cap, right? Now the second man, the jar sniffer, to me, I think that man just have a weird fetish, right? He doesn't seem to be the same person as this man you're looking at right now. This man has a larger build. If you look at his forearms, his shoulders, right? If you look at how his legs are developed, this man has a larger frame, right? The jaw sniffer, he's a much smaller individual. I don't think he's the same man. It could be, because it could just be based on how close up the camera gets the shot, but it doesn't seem to me like it's the same person. Now, even though we can't see their faces, there is enough there for somebody who know them to identify them, right? Because if one of your friend them see a picture of you with a hat just covering your eyes, them can tell, say, yeah man, you know sir Richie that, yeah man, you know sir Tony that, a Blacks that. Your friends and family don't need to see your full face. Them just need to see, especially your woman. Your woman can spot you, just your back, right? She can say, yeah man, a Richie back that, a Tony back that, I know him man, right? So even though we can't see their faces, somebody who know them can spot them and identify them. So I think these men are going to be named very soon. But I'm not totally convinced that the man who's going around and sniffing jars is the same man that is going into women's house at night time and using a knife to subdue them and take advantage of them, right? So even though we have these CCTV footage, we have to be careful. Even though, I mean, jar sniffer need to be identified as well, you know, because whether or not he's the raper bull, they used to go in at people's backyard and sniff them baggy. This can't carry on, right? So he needs to be named and shamed right away, right? But I'm just not convinced it's the same man. The frame of the two men are completely different, right? The first guy in the hat, he has a much more larger frame compared to the next man. As I said, Portmore is too small for any secret keep long term. Okay? People in the community know who is carrying out these actions. Right? Them know a friend of a friend of a friend. This is how things work. You can't keep no secret at Jamaica, especially in our community we're packed tight like sardine tin. Right, because that's how Portmore is set up. The question is, why isn't anybody coming forward and giving us any names? Are they afraid of this man? Is he a local shooter from the area or something? I don't understand. And the funny thing is, a lot of people won't come forward until I feel them sister, or until I feel them mother, or them daughter. Then all of a sudden, them get a conscience, and them want to give the police information to help catch. Or you see them on TV a ball, oh, we must come together and help catch this man, when they didn't care until it happened to somebody them know. People, this is serious. This raper bull needs to come off of the streets ASAP. But as for this video and this image that's circulating around, I don't know if that's the raper bull. I can't say for sure. I tried to zoom in, I tried to look closely, but I don't think it's the same man in the video and the picture. And either way, we don't know if either men are guilty of the acts. So we need more evidence from this one, people. But anyway, if you have any more information, please don't hesitate to send in anything after me. Alright, big up King Benji for this one as well. Alright, this is Politics Watch. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Big up.